In this video, we will talk about how to get Slack QR code. So in order to do that, you first need to install the Slack application in your desktop. It needs to be an application and not a web browser. Once you're in here, the next thing you need to do is to head over right here into your signed in Slack. Now click on your organization name. Once you're in there, you can see this option for Get the Mobile app. Head over and click on that. Once you have clicked on this, you can see in here now Slack's QR code. You can use your phone in order to scan this, install and log in into your account using this particular method. So if you have any questions about this case, you can just head over and then just scan this. It will log you back into your account on your phone, and those two devices will automatically sync with each other. So anything that you have actually inputted in your web app or your desktop app will also appear on your mobile app. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.